Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at max width and max height. What do I mean by max width and max height is basically if you have a picture, like we are inserting a picture in a website, sometimes the picture will be too large, it's too big. We want to make them small, like eBay. If you buy stuff on eBay, you will see, like, whenever you upload picture of the stuff you are going to sell, it doesn't matter whatever the size the picture is. When you upload into eBay, it's going to make it to the size on eBay size, eBay picture size. That's what we are going to see right here. First of all, let me grab some of the picture I have on my desktop. I have these 3 pictures already. I have this Sadhguru picture, and then I have this check mark, and then I have a picture of my face. Okay, I'm gonna put all this in my website. Now let's see how to do that. We know how to do that. To put a picture on a website, we have to just type image src and then equal src and equal whatever the image name is. We have my first image name is q.jpg. I put it right here, q.jpg, and then semicolon, not semicolon, quote mark close, and then backslash, close it right here. Okay, now the second image src equal, and my second image name is check.jpg. Okay, now backslash and close right here. And then my third thing is image, and I'm gonna name this it's already named t.jpg. src equal t.jpeg. Okay, backslash, close it right here. Now I go and refresh this one, and you can see I have the Sadhguru picture and the check mark and the picture of my face. You can see these are too big, like it's kind of big for me. I want to make it a size, anything larger than certain amount, I want to make it a small size. Now to do that, I go to style and type img, and then in the curly bracket I put max dash height to 200 pixel, and then max width 200 pixel. Now what is it gonna do is anything above than this height and this width is gonna get converted into 200 pixel like this. Now if I refresh this one, you can see these are obviously too big than 200 pixels. So when I refresh this one, everything gonna get smaller. Now you can see all of them become the size we put. Okay, now you can see this height is not that much, that's why like it shrink it according to the size we put. That's all in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.